So I'm waiting outside here for my food at the food truck. My favorite taco place here in Austin. And what better way to eat than get the fresh chicken? Pick them up right outside. You know, it's hilarious. Got some fresh chickens over there. There and right here. Just outside. Food truck. Hey, chicky. Gotta love it when you hang out with the fresh chickens. Don't run away. Come here, buddy. Trying to get some of the flies, are you? It's hilarious. That's what happens when you just hang out here, I guess. Here in Austin. Yeah, if you don't eat those eggs, they turn into